I am Anila Ali. I stand before you as a Muslim American Pakistani, friend of the Jewish people. Inshallah, inshallah. I'm here to affirm to my Abrahamic brothers and sisters that you are not alone. Yes, we are all feeling the hurt, the pain, the fear, but we also stand united in hope that a better future for all of us is possible. Now, my brothers and sisters and young people, in the Jewish culture, faith, we call it tikwa. And in Muslim faith, we call it taqwa. You see how close we are? The war to destroy the Jews and the Jewish homeland must end once and for all.